Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's video newsletter, we're looking at a market that really doesn't quite seem like it's ready to bottom. I think that we are going to see better performance in March than what we saw in February. But of course today, big sell-off from the best values of the session. So it's hard to think that we're ready just yet. So I'll tell you, I could give you horizontals. I could give other ways of looking for support in this market. But I really think the thing you do is watch for the put-call ratio to get above 1.0. Look at the reading that we had back here. That was a very meaningful spot for equities. And that was where, the large majority of participants were finally so bearish that the market could go on and rally. We've got close, but we haven't quite made that reading yet. And I just think the SPX could continue to break lower until you see this put-call spike up into here. And then from whatever price that happens to be, that's where we get a chance to see if we can buy something. Now, if that's the view that's going to work for the indexes, of course trading through SPX can be great, but I also want you to see something here in Disney. Disney is not usually going to be kind of the group that I trade, but I like showing it to you for a few reasons. The first of which, and followers of these videos will know, I always work to anchor to a daily squeeze. So I have a reason to think that directional movement could be underway. And then inside that, I'm looking at the favorable relationship to the 618, right? So from 123 down into this 84 low, you see how you're above the 618 retracement? Technically below the 786, but consolidation in this area is generally going to be more constructive than consolidation down in this area because you have an easier time to push up into the old swing high. So maybe it's from 109, maybe it's from 107. Again, try to time this as best you can with the broad market, but we start to see some strength through March and possibly into April. I think Disney 120, 125 is very much in play and wanted to put that on your radar. So I hope it helps. Have a great rest of your evening and hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.